Hey guys, so I have seriously been stalking my mailbox all day. It's past 3 p.m. and I finally got my mail, which means I finally have a box to open. So today I got both my Boxycharm and my Play by Sephora box. I feel like I'm always one of the last ones to get my Boxycharm, so I'm not sure how exciting this will be for all of you, but it is exciting for me because I'm not sure what variant I have. So if you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it is a beauty box, by far my favorite one for makeup. It is $21 per month, ships to US and Canada. As far as I know, please correct me if I'm wrong if it ships elsewhere. But yeah, it comes with about 5 full-size products, which is awesome. And there are variations. So I know 3 things I'm getting. That's the same in every box, but Charmers are going to get a few different variations. So let's see what I got. So, it looks like this when you open it up. And I did cut the box open, but I have not peeked. So, there's a little card on here. And inside, it says Goal Digger. So that is the theme for November. And then it shows some pretty ladies down there. And then it'll have all of the items and their pricing. So I will just set that aside. I can already see the variants I got, and oh my god, look how coordinated all the colors are this month. It's like a gold and black theme going on. So I am super excited actually. Normally I wouldn't be too excited to get lashes, but a goal of mine now is to learn how to do them. Look how cute this case is. Glittery case. So this is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Let's see what they look like. Oh, I like them. They seem pretty natural looking too, compared to some. I mean, they're still so much longer than my lashes, but ever since my lash extensions have been off, I just feel so naked. I feel so much prettier when I have lashes, so I really need to learn how to use these. I don't think this comes with any lash glue, but I actually ordered some as part of an add-on for my FabFitFun, so hopefully that comes within, that might be like a whole month, but yeah, I can always just pick some up. So this is Instaglam False Eyelashes by Lashaholic. The retail value is $14.99, and it says elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies are made from premium silk fibers that give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. And this is Maritza's favorite. So it seems like lately the women that they feature, they all pick a favorite item. So again, here are what the lashes look like. Just a little bum that doesn't come with lash glue, but that's okay. That's something you could easily get from the store, right? Okay, these brushes, I already knew I was gonna get these, and I'm so excited. I can never get enough brushes because honestly, I am terrible about washing them. I just put a bunch in the bathroom to do it, but every time I see it, I'm like, nah, maybe next time. So I like how that comes packaged. There's 4 of them. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see, I'm gonna look at the retail value right now. $21, so this is the cost of the box. You always get over $100. Okay, why am I struggling right now? But you always get $100 value or more in your Boxycharm, so it's seriously the best. Like, even if you don't love every single item, it's always been worth it for me. That's why this is my most recommended box by far. Okay, got this open finally. Let's get these 4 little brushes out. I'm super excited. I'm actually traveling in a couple days. Again, I know I feel like I've been going a lot, so I'm hoping I get more boxes soon so I can pre-film a little bit. But my point was, since I'm traveling, I might keep it in this little bag so I can keep the brushes, but I don't know, we'll see. So this is what they look like. How pretty. So they're kind of small, but I like that since I have a small lid. Let's see, do they have names on them? Yep, so there's the 121 Mini Tapered, which can't get enough of these ones for the crease. The 111 Mini Flat Angled. These are so cute. And then this is the 131 Mini Angled. And, oh, I'm really excited about this one. I don't have one exactly like this. This will be good for like the lower lash line. This is the Mini Round 141. So overall, these are super cute. I'm super excited. I love getting brushes. Could not get enough. All right. Let's see, I'm not gonna read all this, I don't think, for you, but I guess this was a limited edition made for Boxycharm, which is sweet. And this was Donna's fave, so thanks Donna for picking that out. And the next thing I see was my other variant item, so the lashes and then this liner. So not everyone got these. This is by Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Again, the packaging is so cute and everything this month. I love how coordinated it is. Super cute. I think we've gotten a liner from them before. It could have been from another box, but I'm thinking it was a Boxycharm, and I know it was like a grayish color or something like that. So let's see. I'm opening this now so I can swatch it for you guys. Ooh, it really is glittery. See that? I like pencil liners better, so you can kind of see. It looks mostly black in the viewfinder, but I like it. I've never really used much of a glittery eyeliner before, so I'm excited to try this out. I love glitter. Okay, and that is $5, so that's a great price. $5, wow. So this is a glittering star eyeliner. Sparkle up your glam with Jante Blue glittering star eyeliner. It's specifically, or specially actually, it doesn't even say specifically, formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. And this is Caro's favorite. All right, the next thing I see is by Cover FX. This is glitter drops, and I've heard so much about their glitter drops before, but I've never used them. And this is in Nova, and this is $44. That's double the retail value of the box itself. That's crazy, $44. Okay, so shake well for you. Whoa, this will last forever unless you're like, wear glitter every day, but oh my gosh, this is huge. I heard a little bit goes a long way with these. Ooh, look at that. I need to learn how to use these. How do you guys use glitter drops? Do you like use it under your foundation or over it? Because I've seen people do both. I kind of like, oh my god, you can kind of see that on camera. Probably gonna have to fix it up. Just using this small little viewfinder on my camera, but cool. Yeah, if you guys have used these before, give me some tips, please. Okay, yeah, $44, and that's Helen's favorite. It says Ultra Concentrated Drops. Let me bring it over here. Multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under, or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face or body. Okay, kind of answered my question. It gave me multiple ways to use it, but I'd still love to know how you guys use it. And then this palette, I'm really excited to see. I love that we get palettes, and I've really accumulated a palette collection from Boxycharm, which is awesome. So this is the Ace Butte, or is it Butte? This is what the packaging looks like. So there's no mirror. There is a protecting thing on here, plastic. All the shadows came perfectly intact, and they are prettier than I've seen on camera. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. I've seen some people creating looks already with this since I'm like the last person to get my Boxycharm, so I'll have a lot of videos to go off of. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. And I love how there's an even amount of matte shades and shimmer. So 4 of each. I've got like glitter all over my hands already, but I want to kind of swatch these. Okay, that's like jasmine, you can see over there. Clove. Okay, I'll swatch like one more, because I'm sure you guys have seen videos already. If you haven't, let me know. I could do more swatches and stuff like that and try it on. Gosh, I can't remember who it is, but I've heard of someone that does like eye swatches, and I think that would be really cool to see. Just try each solo shade on my lids alone. Or I don't know. Does that even help you guys? Do you like seeing swatches? But anyways, I think I'm super excited about this. And so far, I switched 1 matte and 2 shimmers, and it looks good. Here, let me do one more with my thumb. This rosé. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's just like one little swipe, but I don't have primer, and I don't prep at all. I clearly am not a master at swatches, but they're swatching super well, and I'm super excited. How much does this one cost? $24.99. This says it features 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. And this is Zari's favorite. So I'm super excited. Maybe I'll bring this with me for the wedding in Chicago this weekend. I'll try it out first tomorrow, but yes, I'm going to a wedding, like I said. So hopefully after this trip, I mean, I love to travel and stuff, but I checked the weather today. It's gonna be like in the 20s or 30s there, and I'm like, I was just complaining that it's so hot here with my air conditioner broke. It's gonna be shocking. But I shouldn't be there too long. I'm going there for the wedding, like I said, and then I'm gonna drive my car back finally. So I don't know how long that'll take, but I'm hoping I get more boxes. I'm gonna film the another one at least today, and then try and get a few in tomorrow so I don't miss too many days of filming. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, a link for Boxycharm will be below if you have yet to subscribe. This is like my #1 recommended box if you're into beauty. Like, I can't get over all of this right now. I'm just like staring at my hand. This glitter is insane. Now I know why people love this stuff. But anyways, this is probably one of my most favorite boxes in a while. So yeah, let me know what you got. If you have any ideas for me on how to use this makeup, I would love to hear it down in the comment section. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.